I'm a big fan of using Displace for its non-destructive mesh displacement capabilities. So if we were to go in and just click on Displace, we see that I'm able to push it on the Y. And if we go in and we control click it, we can displace it once more, and I'm able to press X and Y to change the axis. If I want to, I can hold Alt to bring up an axial gizmo where I can further choose what axis I am displacing it on, which is important because sometimes you want to visually specify it, even though it can get a little wonky depending on how the mesh is oriented versus how you're choosing to displace it visually. But in the event that you need to switch between your displace modifiers, you also have the ability to press spacebar, and that will allow you to choose which one you're actively adjusting, so that way you can perfect which one you're going to, and then jump between them where they're also labeled, and we're able to basically perfect the placement of our displace modifiers just using spacebar, and also using a spacebar Blender style pop-up, but just letting you know that the alt axial gizmo is a thing, and also you can change it with spacebar.